Let's take a look at what's going on first in the tropics. It is busy as we get into the first week of October. Looks like a lot of these systems are going to stick around for most of the week. We now have 4. Isaac is now gone. The last advisory was issued on that earlier. You can kind of see the tail end of it there as it spins off into the North Atlantic. Joyce, Kirk, very high chance of a system developing that moved off the coast of Africa. And then we have our system in the Caribbean that is forecast to move into the Gulf. We'll break it down first with a look at Kirk. This is a tropical storm, but forecast to become a Category 3 hurricane. Nice turn to the north, though, up over open water, turn well to the east of the Leeward, the Windward Islands, and somewhere up in here we have Bermuda. Looks like it'll be east of that too. So good track. We'll monitor it. At this point, it looks like it stays in the open ocean. And then ahead of that, we have Joyce, struggling tropical depression. Winds are only 35, just holding together. It might have another day, day and a half, and then it's done as it moves north. And from that, we go to the Caribbean, where we have a pretty complex weather situation going on here. There's an upper level low that's tracking just to the south of the Hispaniola. You can see it there on the satellite loop. We've got a lot of tropical air here that is expected to lift north and eventually work its way across the Yucatan. Has a 40% chance out in 5, 6, 7 days from now. Now, the Vipercast model and the GFS and the Euro now are kind of latching onto this too, is developing not one, but 2 weaker systems. First one, maybe as soon as Tuesday or Wednesday, as it nudges into the southern Gulf of Mexico right here and then eventually pushes north. And then a second one, which is also weak, develops between the Yucatan and western Cuba. And you can see it has some rains here that we'll have to keep an eye on. Now, if this verifies, both stay relatively weak. This one a little bit slower. It moves into eventually the central Gulf. It's something that we'll have to monitor this week. But at this point, there's a lot of uncertainty on where it finally tracks and just how strong it'll be. All right, we have limited rain on the radar this afternoon. Kind of nice out there. Lots of humidity, though. The heat advisory is for Broward and Miami-Dade. We may see another one tomorrow. Our rain chances are low tonight. Inland showers are possible. Tomorrow, the morning starts off nice. Get some showers and storms on the Treasure Coast, and then some of those fire up in Palm Beach County, but mainly inland, not so much at the coastline. Nice beach and boating weather. Seas about 1 to 2 for boaters. Your forecast tonight, 70s and partly cloudy, warm and humid, 91 tomorrow with an isolated storm, mainly in the afternoon, not so much the morning. And then we kind of flip the switch once again later in the week, starting Thursday, but definitely Friday into the week with scattered showers and storms each day.